Solution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. We have been speaking about the chakras in the last video, and I thought it would be interesting to dwell upon chakras more. If you do not know about chakras, please check out previous videos. So let's start with the chakras. There are basically 7 chakras in our body situated along the vertebra and the spine. The first is the root chakra, the second is the sacral, the third is the solar plexus chakra, the fourth is the heart chakra, the fifth is the throat chakra, the sixth, the third eye, and seventh, the crown chakra. In this video, we shall be particularly focused on the root chakra. So what is the root chakra? The root chakra is a vortex of energy that forms at the base of your spine. If you want to locate it biologically, I would say it's somewhere around the first 3 vertebrae if you count it from the bottom. And since it is the lowermost chakra, it is directly connected to the earth. In fact, this is the chakra that connects you to the earth. And hence, this chakra is associated with the feelings of safety and grounding. The 7 different chakras are connected to the 7 different bodies. Yes, humans have 7 different bodies. And the root chakra, being the first chakra or the physical chakra, is directly connected to our physical body. Hence, its connection with security, being alive, being physically present. It is also connected with grounding and survival. So if you have an urge to make more money, if you have an urge to build that new house, if you have an urge to buy a new car, if you have an urge to make sure that you're secure and safe in this physical world, understand that it's your base chakra or the root chakra that is functioning. But many of us might have our chakras imbalanced. And if you have your root chakra imbalanced, you'll start feeling a sense of fear, a sense of insecurity. If little things scare you, it's the imbalance in your root chakra. If you are thinking a lot of negative thoughts, it's a problem in your root chakra. If you find yourself haphazardly eating, it's a problem in your root chakra. This happens if the root chakra shrinks. However, if the root chakra gets over-empowered, guess what you feel? You feel greed. The opposite of fear, the opposite of losing something, is the desire to gain something and to gain it more and more. If you have no control over your root chakra, if it's balanced in an overpowering way, you'll start feeling very, very greedy. Now, there are simple ways to opening and balancing your root chakra. Some of which might be just taking a stroll in nature, spending time in nature. If you want to learn more about the importance of spending time in nature, here's a link to another video. Other activities like gardening could also help you. Or physical exertion, exercises, could also help you in strengthening the root chakra. Well, the idea is to grow your roots into the earth, to be stable, to be connected to earth. For example, you could surround yourself in earthy colors. Say you could wear green shirts, for instance. They help you in calming you down and connecting you to the earth. Or another simple solution could be you could surround yourself with objects that remind you of nature. For example, houseplants or even pets. There are also postures that help you to bind and strengthen your root chakra. For example, the butterfly posture. In Sanskrit, this chakra is also known as the Muladhara chakra, which directly translates to Mool, meaning original or the root, and Aadhar, meaning support. So basically, it's the root chakra and it supports your life system. All the chakras of the human body are represented through frequencies and through colors. And the root chakra is represented basically through the color red, because red is the color that signifies strength and vitality. We also have a symbol for this chakra. It's a red 4-petaled lotus. And this is also the chakra where your Kundalini energy resides. It is coiled up, and the Kundalini energy is directly connected through this chakra to the earth. So, have you ever seen anybody who shows no signs of fear, no matter what happens? He or she is stable, is pacified, is at peace, and is unaffected by anything, no matter what. That is the kind of person who has his or her root chakra strengthened. You barely feel fear if you have a properly balanced root chakra. And only after strengthening your root chakra properly, balancing it properly, can you ascend upwards towards the other chakras, say the sacral chakra. So basically that was all about the root chakra. That's it for now, but I shall be doing more videos on the root chakra, say for instance how to heal this chakra in our videos to come. And we shall also be speaking about other chakras. So stay tuned, and if you have any questions, queries or comments, feel free to drop a comment. Do not forget to like this video, and if you like whatever is happening here, subscribe to our channel. Until next time.